Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So this is going to be another Mask Monday. I don't know if I said it in my last Mask Monday, but I think I want to do it like every other Monday just so that I'm not having to deep condition every week, because I don't always use a mask. Sometimes I just use like a quick conditioner. But yeah. My hair is so dry, you guys. I washed it, I think, like 2 days ago, and I just kind of left it in twists. So my hair's completely, it's just dry. And it needs to be deep conditioned so bad. So I'm going to go ahead and knock out this Mask Monday video. Like, look at this. I did not moisturize it or anything. It's just been dried out for the last couple of days. But the mask I will be using today is the Deva Curl Melt Into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. That's what it looks like. It's 100% sulfate, paraben, silicone free. And I've seen quite a bit of people talk about this. I don't use a lot of Deva Curl products. I don't know why, I just don't. But this one, you guys know Deva Curl is pretty, it's a like higher end brand. They're more on the expensive side. So this was $36. $36. So I got this from Ulta and I lost my receipt. So if I don't like this, I'm stuck with it unless I like resell it or something. Anyways, so on the back, it pretty much says it is supposed to leave your curls shiny, silky soft, and completely transformed. It's made with moisturizing matcha green tea butter, vitamin-packed sweet almond oil, and protective beetroot extract. So, yeah. I am just going to start with one section. My hair is in 4 sections. I'm going to spray it with some water and then we will begin. Alright, my hair is completely soaked and dripping wet now. Has not been detangled, so we're going to put this to the test. See if it has slip and all that. First impressions of the smell is it smells really good. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells really good. So it is a green color. And it is so creamy. Really, really creamy. That smells really good. Alright, so let's just dive in. Really creamy. Wow. Alright. First impressions, it's really softening. Yeah, it's super softening. Like, I can just feel my curls and my hair just soaking it up. And yeah, slip. I just felt like when I first put it on, I kind of felt like, okay, this is going to work really good because it's so softening. And you guys can see the slip. This is what the curl definition is looking like. I'm going to actually detangle it with my wide tooth comb. But you can finger detangle, as you guys saw. Like, my fingers were gliding right through, just like my comb is, so. Alright, so my hair is completely detangled. And it's just really, really soft. I'm just going to continue, repeat the steps all over my head. And then I'll let it sit. and I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Alright, so I applied it to each of my 4 sections, and I'm just going to put a plastic bag on and let it sit for maybe 15-20 minutes. That's how long it says on the container. And then I will show you guys what my curls look like rinsed out. Alright, you guys, so I just got out of the shower. And this is what my curls are looking like. It's super defined and super soft, so okay guys, so for my final thoughts on this mask, I honestly really like it. The smell, really good. Love the smell. You guys saw the slip was amazing. Dave gave me good definition. Moisture wise, putting it on, my hair was so soft as butter. Rinsing it off, my hair is still nice and soft as well. So I don't have any complaints with this at all. I guess the only con would be the price. It is $36, but I feel like if you can afford to get it, then you might definitely like it, because I like it, so you might like it. But if you can afford to get it, definitely get it. If you can't, there are a ton of other alternatives. I will continue doing these Mask Mondays to give you guys different, a different variety of products and masks to try. Some will be cheap, some will be high-end like this. So if you can't afford it, then it's okay. There are a ton of other deep conditioners, but if you can, definitely. You don't need a lot of this. So I know it is $36. It comes in this, my hands are wet, this 8 fluid ounce. And yeah, I did not use a lot at all, and I could have even used less. I used 2 scoops for each section, and I could have gotten away with 1. I just wanted to be extra. So this can last you a while if you do deep condition once a week, just because I personally feel like you don't need too much. So yeah, that is my review on this product, you guys. I'm going to keep it because I actually really like it. I do feel like it's worth the $36. You know, Deva Curl is expensive, but I don't feel like this is something like, no, I would never use it. I really do like this mask. So up to you if you guys want to try it or not, but I do recommend it. So let me know, of course, down below if you have a certain mask you want me to try out on these Mask Mondays, then definitely put that down below. Let me know if you have tried this or not, and what you think about Deva Curl. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like I said, these Mask Mondays will be up every other Monday, so I will see you on another Monday.